Although the companions of Imam al-Hussain were more loyal than humanity had ever witnessed, he was vastly outnumbered by Yazid's army during the Ashura uprising. This is further emphasized by the fact that Kufa alone had a population of over 100,000 people at the time. How can we explain this problem? Wasn't Hussain ibn Ali's call anything but a resistance against the corruption and oppression of the Umayyads? Didn't the Kufans send 12,000 letters to invite Imam al-Hussain? Then why did Imam al-Hussein's supporters dwindle to less than 100 people by the end of the night? The answer to this particular question should be sought from a large group of people from that time who were not extremely devoted to the Ahlulbayt to the point of sacrificing their lives without hesitation, nor were they so loyal to the Umayyads that they would openly oppose the Imams. The silence of the group of people who were not in favor of anyone ended up benefiting Yazid, as he was able to brutally suppress the uprising of the Prophet's grandson and his companions without any opposition from the general Muslim population. However, these people had different reasons for their silence. Some, like Ahnaf bin Qais, were motivated by the greed of wealth. Some, like Abdullah bin Umar, were confused in their beliefs. And some, like Sulaiman bin Surad al-Khuda'i, were weak in analysis and lacked insight. They all abandoned the Imam. But what we need to understand is that there is no room for neutrality in the fight between truth and falsehood, because anyone who stays silent in this conflict will surely be counted on the side of the false army.